Frustrated by the Hyper-V Host Compute Service DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Before we start the Hyper-V Host Compute Service configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Hyper-V Host Compute Service. It manages the localized lifecycle of virtual machines and containers, Hyper-V, WSL, Docker. If missing or the service is disabled, Docker and WSL2 will fail to initialize, reporting that the virtual machine or container could not be started due to a provider failure. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. This issue is best handled by the Windows Resource Protection Service. Open an elevated command prompt and enter sfc/scannow to allow Windows to identify and replace corrupted core files, such as Hyper-V Host Compute Service DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Hyper-V Host Compute Service, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Hyper-V Host Compute Service DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. The official utility reference below outlines an approach to managing Hyper-V Host Compute Service within a Windows library environment. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Hyper-V Host Compute Service from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.